Did your Ford Escape's USB port just give up on you? No charging, no music, no connection? Here's what to do next. First, let's rule out the basics. Try a different USB cable sometimes. It's the cable, not the car. Next, test another device. If that works, your phone may be the issue. If neither works, check if the USB port is dirty. A quick blast of compressed air can help clear out dust and debris. Still nothing? Turn your Escape off, wait a minute, then restart it. This simple reset can work wonders. If the port still isn't working, look for a blown fuse. Pop open your owner's manual, find the fuse box and locate the USB or accessory fuse. If it's blown, replace it with one of the same rating. Last, make sure your car's software is up to date. Sometimes a quick update can restore USB function. Check Ford's website or your dealership for instructions. If you've tried all this and the port still won't work, it may need professional help. But most of the time these simple steps will get you back to charging and streaming in minutes. Don't let a dead USB port ruin your drive. Now you know how to fix it.